Hello everybody, thanks for coming to report about a game between Žalgiris and Lietuvos Rytas. As far as I know, this is the first time we are playing in a new arena, so we were trying really to not give you a chance to celebrate, but you know, it was a good game from both teams, and great game actually for the first game between Žalgiris and Rytas in new arena.
Labas vakaras visiems. Kiek žinau, tai buvo pirmosios Žalgirio Lietuvos ryto rungtynės šioje arenoje. Mums nesinorėjo, kad varžovai čia švęstų pergalę, bet apskritai kalbant, šios rungtynės buvo tikrai geros ir turėjo patikti žiūrovams.
Well, obviously I'm not too satisfied because of the fact that we lost, but the truth is that we, you know, some of the things that we were trying against Žalgiris, the team that we will play many times till the end of the season, we tried a couple of things and those things worked, which is good. And believe me, this is the last time we will lose against Zone from Žalgiris. This is the last time somebody will beat us with Zone. You can mark my word. I will try again. So anyway, we tried a couple of things, and some things worked, some things didn't, but we will face Žalgiris many times before end of the season.
Žinoma, šių rungtynių nesinorėjo pralaimėti ir tai mus liūdina, tačiau su Žalgiriu žaisime dar daug kartų ir šiandien išbandėme kelis naujus dalykus, kurie iš tikrųjų pavyko ir galite paminėti mano žodžius ateityje. Žalgiris daugiau neveiks mūsų žaisdamas, gindamas sezoninį gynybą.
If you have questions, I'll try to answer.
Žalgiris hit 11 of 16, I think 3-pointers after the first quarter. Were you just not able to guard it, or were they just opening up the game too much?
No, we were basically, we have something defensively that we are calling, you know, shot selection and the selection of help. And tonight, one of the things that I'm not satisfied with is the selection of our helping, or the term that we are using is unnecessary help. And you know, if we want to be honest, it's not the same if you help off Popovic or, what's his kid's name? Litkevičius. Sorry, my Lithuanian. But it's not the same, you know? So like every team, you know, you decide, like, I want to shut down these guys, that means that some of the rest of the guys will try to take more shots, make more decisions. And tonight, that leverage was not in our favor all the time.
Klausimas buvo apie Žalgirio tritaškių pataikymą. Tai treneris atsakė, kad gynyboje yra priimami įvairūs sprendimai, o kas šiam nepatiko, tai yra Lietuvos Ryto žaidėjų pagalba atsitraukiant nuo Žalgirio snaiperių. Yra skirtumas, kai atsitraukia nuo Marko Popovičiaus ar Vytenio Litkevičiaus. Todėl šios detalės ir lėmė varžovų pataikymą.
And you don't need to be a rocket scientist to figure out that Popovic and Šalenga and Mantas made 10 threes. You know, and you just need to change the leverage of Žalgiris game. And that's what we will try.
Detaliau Lietuvos Ryto žaidėjams tas įtaka, kad visa Lietuva serga už Žalgirį. Ar Lietuvos Ryto, kad Žalgirį. Ar jaučiasi įtaka žaidėjams Lietuvos Ryto, kad visa Lietuva serga už Žalgirį, bet ne už Lietuvos Ryto. Yra psichologija.
Come on, man. I'm here just 8.5 months. I cannot make decisions about who is more popular. But, you know, something that if I'm a journalist, I would probably write down things like, hey guys, it's Žalgiris Lietuvos Rytas game and 9 Lithuanian players in the starting lineups. I would be proud if I'm Lithuanian, but I'm not teaching you what to write. And another thing is, you can put in the media that Jonas Valančiūnas is per 40 minutes best player of Euro Cup. And I believe that I never read it. And that's another fact. That Johnny is 19 and the best player of Euro Cup. But it really is not connected to this game. So.
Lietuvoje treneris yra tik 8 mėnesius ir dar nespėjo įsigilinti, kas yra populiariausias, o kas ne. Ir rašant apie rungtynes patarė labiau rašyti, kad startiniuose penketuose buvo net 9 Lietuvos žaidėjai, arba niekas nemini fakto, kad Jonas Valančiūnas yra geriausias Europos lygos žaidėjas, būdamas vos 19 metų. Apie tai pamiršti.
And even more important is it really doesn't matter who is supporting who. Okay, of course, by default, Žalgiris fans cannot like me, but what I want them to respect our team, and I think they are doing that. They fill the gym, So that's respect, I guess.
Nėra didelio skirtumo, kas kam patinka. Čia manau, kad ir Žalgirio fanai turi jausti pagarbą Lietuvos Rytui ir manau, užpildydami šią areną šiandien, jie tą ir parodė.
Aš nežinau, kad klausiau, ar pasikeitė taktika, žinant, kad Vimsas žais galbūt, arba nežais. Kiek pasikeitė ta taktika, kad žinant, kad Vimsas nežais ir koks tas buvo rezultatas?
Guys, try to have an anonymous quiz question in the locker room of Žalgiris. Are we better team with or without players there now? Okay? Thank you.
Pabandykite anonimiškai paklausti Žalgirio Rūbinį, ar Žalgiris yra geresnė komanda su ar be.
At the end, we will fight for the national Lithuanian championship. Okay? Lithuanian national championship. That means a lot.
Ir galiausiai abi komandos kausis būtent dėl Lietuvos nugalėtojų vardo Lietuvos.
I'm very bored of the bank.